The Byzantine Empire had a terrifying secret weapon, Greek fire. A liquid flame that could be sprayed at enemy ships, and it kept burning even on the surface of the water. The formula was such a closely guarded secret that it is still a mystery to this day. When the Emperor Justinian built the Hagia Sophia, its dome was so vast and so full of light that people believed it hung from heaven on a golden chain. For nearly 1,000 years, it remained the largest cathedral in the entire world. She began her life as an actress, one of the lowest ranks in Byzantine society. But Theodora rose to become empress and one of the most powerful women in history. She reformed the laws and fought for the rights of women. In Constantinople, chariot racing was everything, and the rival fan clubs were like violent gangs. In the year 532, their feud exploded into the Nika riots. Half the city burned, and as many as 30,000 people died over a sport. The Byzantine emperor's most feared bodyguards weren't Greek, they were Vikings. Norse warriors who traveled thousands of miles to serve as the elite Varangian Guard. And you can still find their runes carved into the marble of the Hagia Sophia.